Welcome to part 10 of the free course, and this one will be a quick breakdown on all the bidding strategies, right? So a lot of different ones that Google offers, and I want to break it down at a more macro level first, and then specific strategies slash tools that you can then use to accomplish the goals that you want in the platform, right? So very first, there's two different types of bidding strategies. One is manual, which you can set the max cost per click or CPC, as is known, bid for each keyword, and that can be at the aggregate level or the keyword level individually. That is not used as much as it used to be. There's still specific use cases that are good when you create this kind of stuff. However, I'll kind of give you my thoughts and opinions later on. And then there's automated bidding, which is otherwise also known as smart bidding. So if you ever come across that, automated and smart mean the same thing. And in essence, this is where you provide Google with a performance goal. Example, max clicks, max conversions, max conversion value. And then you allow Google's machine learning algorithms to dynamically set CPC bids tailored to the specific context of a search query and auction, right? And this does it for every single bid that it's eligible for, not just one time and done. And what are some actual, strategies you can use here, right? So here, there's two main types of smart bidding. You have restrictive or goal-based, or you have open. Now, with restrictive or goal-based, there's two different versions of this, all within maximize conversions or maximize conversion action, okay? It used to be different where it was an individual bidding strategy, but since I think late 2022, Google updated it to now it's either maximize conversions or TCPA. Now this is an extension of maximize conversions, which it makes sense completely when they did this. So it makes sense that they did. But basically TCPA is target cost per action, otherwise known as like target cost per acquisition. That's another one, but it's an action-based bidding strategy. That's why it's target cost per action. You provide Google with the target cost per action, let's say $100 purchase, and then Google automatically sets CPC bids to help you get as many conversions as possible at or close to that TCPA. TROAS is the value-based bidding one. So instead of having a set quantity you're trying to get it for, so say $100, you will then say, okay, Google, I need a target return percentage of, let's say, 300%, and then Google automatically sets bids to help you get as much value as possible at or close to the TROAS you set. So instead of either how much you want to get for a certain action, instead of that, it's how much you want to get in return. So how much you want to pay per action versus how much you want to get in return for an action. Both are very good strategies. Both are very excellent. It kind of just depends on the use case you have them in. So those are restricted based. Now you have open based bidding strategies, right? So here are those. You have maximize clicks, which Google automatically sets bids to help you obtain as many clicks as possible within your budget. You have maximize conversions, which is that TCP, but in an open sense. So Google automatically sets bids to help you obtain the most conversions as possible within your budget. Then you have maximize conversion value, which is the opposite of TROAS in terms of an open-based sense. And that makes Google wants to get as much conversion value as possible. Enhanced CPC, which is, it might be going away. It's kind of been rumored to going away pretty soon, but it's a blend of manual and automated. It allows the system to dynamically adjust your manual bids to increase your conversion volume while using manual bids as a guidance. So if you say, hey, Google, I'll pay $2 per bid, but then it goes into its smart bidding and realizes, oh, this user who's searching just searched this in a different way or came from a competitor website, it'll up your bid for you if it thinks that someone will actually do a conversion for you. And then you have target impression share. A couple of different ways you can do this one, but basically Google automatically sets bids to reach at the lowest cost possible. Their impression share is specified by you. And this could be any impressions, only impressions above organic, which is in the top 4 on the page, or only impressions above organic in the very first position, so the top ad at the very top of the page. So that's a quick summary of the bidding strategies, and I'll kind of go into more later on. But that kind of just breaks down either manual, or you have your open bidding strategies, smart bidding way, or restricted bidding strategies, smart way. That's it.